using table facts to work out associated facts. The most common of these questions are questions such as 30 multiplied by 5. In this case, 3 times 5 is 15, but because we have an extra 0 here, we'll put an extra 0 in the answer. So 30 times 5 is 150. Here's another example. 20 times 30. 2 times 3 is 6. Because I have a 0 here and a 0 here, I'll put 2 zeros in my answer. 20 multiplied by 30 is 600. In this case, I would do 4 times 7, 28, and then add the appropriate number of zeros to get my answer, 28,000. I can do the same thing when dividing. Instead of thinking of 350 divided by 5, I can think of 35 divided by 5. The answer is 7. Because I have a 0 here, it means I have a 0 in the answer too. So 350 divided by 5 is 70. This gets more complicated when you're dividing by numbers that also have zeros. In this particular case, 42 divided by 7 is 6. I have 2 zeros at the top and 1 0 at the bottom. Quite often in mathematics we talk about cancelling these zeros. Just like equivalent fractions, we're dividing the top number and the bottom number by the same number, in this case 10. The quick method is to see a 0 at the top and a 0 at the bottom and to cancel it. This leaves us with just 1 0. So 4,200 divided by 70 is 60. Here's another example. 15,000 divided by 500. I can think of 15 divided by 5 as 3. I certainly don't want to put 5 zeros down because 3 zeros are at the top and 2 zeros at the bottom. So I'm actually going to cancel some of these zeros. The top and the bottom cancel, one at the top, one at the bottom, another one at the top, another one at the bottom, and that leaves me with just 1 0 left. 15,000 divided by 500 is 30.